Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss another essay, and the name of the essay is Superstitions. It is written by A.G. Gardiner. His full name was Alfred George Gardiner. The essay name is Superstition. Now, what is superstitions? Superstition means blind belief. Blind belief means andhvishwas. There are so many superstitions which are current, which are recurrent in our daily life. And the writer points out, discusses the characteristics of superstitions, and he also points out that scientific advancement and scientific inventions have stopped many kind of superstitions. But before we look at the essay, we should look at the essayist, the writer's biography and his details. Now, A.G. Gardner was wrote most of the writing, wrote essays under the pen name Alpha of the Plough, P-L-O-U-G-H, Alpha, A-L-P-H-A, Alpha of the Plough. He wrote essay by this pen name. He worked as the editor of the Daily News. There is a magazine in London, Daily News. He wrote essays. He was the editor of that. His best essays are those which he contributed to a number of leading British newspapers. So he was also a journalist, and his best papers were published in leading newspapers of Britain. But he expresses a natural sense of joy and harmony in his essays. He had also described the horrible condition of people during the First World War. This is the main thing that he has also covered the horrible effect of the First World War. In his writing, he inspired the readers to feel the beautiful aspects of life. There is no doubt Gardner is a model for the modern writers. He has elevated means raised. What is the spelling of elevated? E-L-E-V-A-T-E-D. He has raised the standard of journalism to the writing of literature. So this is his craftsmanship that he has elevated journalist writing into the realm of literature. Now, this is some of the characteristics of his writings and his career we have discussed of A.G. Gardner. Now comes to the essay Superstition. In this essay, Gardner clarifies many kinds of superstitions prevailing in the society. The writer gives a scientific explanation to remove them. The discovery of science and technology has played a significant role in this direction. It has saved modern man from many ugly superstitions. The writer also points out that many superstitions were adopted by the common man due to its common sense practical values. He also admits that superstitions were prevalent in society because of its common sense practical values. So there are many things, there are many things which are related with superstitions, and even the educated people, literate people sometimes are superstitious of many things, particularly when a cat crosses the way or when they come across an odd number. So they feel that otherwise, in the sense that no one would refuse to take a bus if it is number 13, or if you are admitted in a hospital and you are allotted the bed 13, then it is compulsory that you have to occupy it. But otherwise, there is something in our heart, some superstition, some weakness that if they have not got this number, otherwise they would have become, their life would be have become very safe. So these are things which are related with superstition, that sometimes even the educated people feel that they should adopt it because there are common man, there are practices which are prevalent in society. I think that in the next lecture I would discuss the essay in detail, what the superstition are and how can we avoid it, and we should have the knowledge of it.